Hi, today I'm going to show you exactly what's included in the helpbag Max kit. We'll do a full unboxing so you can see every component of this comprehensive emergency kit. Let's start with the orange crate that the helpbag Max comes in. It's foldable, sturdy, and can also be used as extra storage space for supplies. Here is the backpack itself, made from durable original Modular with ergonomic straps and a carrying system that ensures comfort even during extended use. The Cordura is additionally coated with Teflon, which increases its water resistance. On the back, near the chest strap, you'll find an emergency whistle and an attachable hip belt. The helpbag Max consists of a total of 8 themed modules, 3 external modules, and 5 internal modules. Each one has its own pictogram and description, making it easy to quickly find what you need. The external modules are equipped with waterproof zippers. The weather and escape modules can also be easily attached to the sides of the backpack. This gives the front a new functionality. We can easily attach the molar panel and use the universal pouch attachment system. The sleep module provides warmth and a bit of comfort during an emergency overnight stay. Inside you'll find a sleeping bag and a large contoured inflatable pillow. This is important, even in difficult conditions. Cook food. Here you'll find everything related to water and food. Spring water in a bottle, a food ration, water purification tablets, a professional water filter, helpbag Crystal Pro with a capacity of 500 liters, a collapsible water container, a cup, and cutlery, everything you need to meet your basic nutritional needs. In a crisis situation, we recommend replenishing your supply of water and food rations. Depending on individual needs, tools includes practical items like repair tape, multi-tool, work gloves, zip ties, an entrenching tool with a blade or saw, string, a sewing kit, a wood saw, and bungee cords. These tools can prove invaluable for repairs or building makeshift shelters. Electronics. In the electronics module, you'll find communication and power equipment. Power bank, Radio Help Bag Power Pro with dynamo. This is your mini power generator, which you can use to charge all the electronic devices included in the kit.
Even if she speaks somewhere in my Polish language, it is Polish. Her grandmothers, her ancestors.
A 4G mobile phone with an ultra-durable battery. Card SIM adapter set. Headphones. USB cord. And a wall charger. Thanks to this module, you'll stay connected to the world even when there's no electricity. In the hygiene module, you'll find basic personal hygiene items, a toiletry bag, towel, soap, toilet paper, toothbrush, and other essential elements. Maintaining hygiene is crucial for health, especially in emergency situations. The next module is first aid. It's a complete first aid kit containing a thermal blanket, a waterproof notepad with a pencil, reflective suspenders, basic dressings, disinfectants, disposable gloves, scissors, plasters, in various size everything that might be needed to provide first aid. Escape. The escape module contains items useful during evacuation. a glass breaker with a seatbelt cutter and an emergency light. A filtering half mask, protective goggles, a headlamp, leather gloves, a multifunctional bracelet, and a knife. Everything that can help ensure a safe evacuation. The last module is weather, which protects against the elements. Hand warmers, foot warmers, emergency sleeping bag, a rain poncho, multi-neck gaiter, a plasma lighter with a retractable tip. It can be charged with a power bank or a radio. It's practically an endless source of fire. These items provide protection against cold, rain, and wind. In addition to the modules, the helpbag max also includes a vacuum bag for clothes. A waterproof case, and a foldable insulating mat. As you can see, the helpbag max is truly a comprehensive kit. Over 100 pieces of equipment, carefully selected and organized into a logical system. Now he'll show you how to quickly pack everything back up. Thanks to the modular system, it's incredibly simple. I hope this unboxing has shown you just how comprehensive this solution is. helpbag max. Complete, well thought out, ready to use.